Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Freshdesk integration in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application allows you to seamlessly sync tickets and contacts between Odoo and Freshdesk. It ensures real-time two-way synchronization, keeping both platforms updated without manual effort. This connector helps teams manage custom support more efficiently, improve collaboration, and simplify ticket handling and contact management directly from your Odoo system, making your support operation faster, smarter, and more connected. So first of all, we will go into the Freshdesk connector. Here, we will go into the Freshdesk credentials. Here you can create your own Freshdesk credentials. I have already created one. Here you can see the BrowseInfo Freshdesk. Under that, you need to add the credential for Freshdesk, like Freshdesk domain. Under that, you need to add the API key, company, and user. Now, after this, after entering all the credentials, you can see it is in authenticate state. So we need it to be in authenticated state. So we are just going to click on authenticate. And here you can see the Freshdesk connection is established successfully. And you can also see that the stage of this credential is also changes to authenticated. Now here you will find two buttons. One is for import contact and another one is for import tickets. Here you can see I have created one Freshdesk account. Here you can see the dashboard. Now after this, again we will go into our Odoo interface and we are going to import some contacts. Click on import contacts and here you can see contacts imported successfully. Here you can see in a smart button for contacts. Open that and here you will be able to see all the contacts which we just imported from the Freshdesk into our Odoo. Here you can open and check any one of the contacts and everything. Now we will go into our Freshdesk and here we will find the menu for contacts. We will go into the contacts and here we can see all the contacts which we just imported into the Odoo interface from the Freshdesk account. Here you can see the number is 15 and you can also see the count on the smart button of the contact is also 15 in the Odoo interface. Now we will go into the contacts module and here we will go into the list view and here you can select some contacts. I will be selecting 3 contacts and I am going to export it. So in action button, we will find a menu for export contact. Click on that and here a wizard will pop up. So in here you can see the Freshdesk connector and under that you can see the contacts which you have selected to export. Now click on export contact. So here you can see contact exported successfully. Here you can see the notification for that. Now we will go into the Freshdesk and we are just going to refresh our contact page. Now in here you can see the 3 contacts which we just exported from the Odoo into the Freshdesk. Here you can see the 3 contacts in the list. Now after this, again we will go into the Freshdesk connector. Open that. We will go into the Freshdesk credential and now we are going to import some tickets. Click on import ticket and here you can see your ticket is being imported into the Odoo from the Freshdesk. Here you can see the notification for the contacts and the tickets which is imported successfully. Here in the smart button for ticket you can see the count is 4. You can just open and check the tickets which we just imported from the Freshdesk into our Odoo interface. You can see every information regarding your ticket in here. Now we will go into the Freshdesk and we are just going to open the ticket menu. Here you can see the 4 different tickets which we just imported into the Odoo from this Freshdesk account. Now we will go into our Odoo interface and in here we will go into the help desk account. Here under tickets we will go into my tickets. Here you can see all the tickets. So we are just going to select some tickets. So I will be selecting ticket number 3, ticket ID 22, and I'm in action button. There is one menu for export ticket, so just click on that, and here you can see the Freshdesk connector is browsing for Freshdesk, and you can see the 2 tickets which we selected to export. Now click on export ticket, and here you can see your ticket is exported successfully. So again, we will go into the Freshdesk connector. In the credentials, you can see in the smart button for tickets, the count has become 6. Here you can see one update. So we are just going to refresh our tickets page, and here you can see the 2 tickets which we just exported from the Odoo interface into our Freshdesk account. Here you can see the tickets which is older and which we just updated from the Odoo. Now we will go into the dashboard. Here you can see that it is connected, and here you can see the 6 total tickets, 6 total contacts, and the 1 configured instance. Under that you can see the status is connected, so the green bar is showing. Under that you can see in the quick action, you can sync all contact, all tickets, and test AI connections, all connections. Here you can see the recent activity also. You can just open and check the recent activity from here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.